Continent Aurelia, Nations, Republic of Norland, Technological Powerhouse and Federation of Valma rich in reserves of Helionite, a rare clean fuel, setting Valma coastline, mountain jungles, and coastal Helionite platforms. Structure signal on the horizon, a swarm of reconnaissance drones from the Republic of Norland appears on Valmor's radar at dawn. The transmission is silent, without standard identification. In the coastal capital, Valma technicians hear crackles in the spectrum. Someone is mapping their Helionite reactors. Commander Mayor Valma orders total radio silence and releases salt fog balloons to confuse sensors. An old civilian radio, left on by chance, picks up an echo 3-minute window. First contact. Norland sends stealth corvettes for preventive interdiction of the platforms, citing environmental risk. Valma activates its tidal shields, turbines that generate walls of ionized spray. Instead of missiles, the corvettes fire magnetic anchors to drag the platforms in the open sea. Valma fishermen, who know the currents, activate sonic buoys that change the direction of schools of fish, creating eddies that slow down the anchors. Maya contacts Captain Arlen of Norland on a public channel. If the Helionite falls into the sea, we all lose. Arlen replies, if it explodes here, we lose first. The whole world listens and holds its breath. A sea of equations. Arlen reveals the reason for the advanced readings of instability in the Helionite core. A design flaw could cause a thermal collapse. Maya points out, the same Norland firm sold the reactor to Valma and concealed a critical patch. Drones from both sides exchange packets, not shots, schematics, logs, algorithms. A bug appears. A tide sensor reverses readings when the K current temperature rises 0.4 degrees above normal. Lightning on the horizon. The sea swells. If they try to tow now, the reactor goes into panic mode. 3-minute truce, Maya proposes. 3 minutes of cooperation. Arlen accepts. Norland directs corvettes to form breakwaters with their hulls. Valma synchronizes the tidal turbines to stabilize pressure. The fishermen line up sonic buoys like metronomes. The core cools. The magnetic anchors are released, one by one. The civilian radio, still on, transmits music, a detuned guitar covering the noise of the sea. In the end, the flags neither rise nor fall. They remain sideways, flapping in the same wind. A joint committee is formed. The Helionite reprogrammed patch, open to the public. Narrator, in Aurelia, 3 minutes were enough to remind us that the sea has no borders and that no victory is worth a flooded house. Production notes, if for video style. Cinematic geopolitical thriller, without graphic violence, focusing on technical and human tension. Palette, steel, blue sea, amber platforms, grey stealth corvettes, olive green jungle. Soundtrack, tense ambient with deep pulses, growing slightly during the truce. Final message, cooperation is not surrender, it is engineering the future.